guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marianne. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cook Banga soup, African Banga soup. So these are the stuff I'll be using for the soup. Here I have the palm oil, it's already been processed, and I have my Banga spice. I'm going to be using 3 Maggi cubes. I have my crayfish, I have my dried catfish, some sliced onions, salt to taste. I already have my steamed fish, a little bit of Habanero pepper. I have my meat stock and I have my steamed meat. So that's all you need for your Banga soup. And before we get into the video, just take like 1 second, like it's just quick and easy. Just subscribe to the channel, okay? And hit the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open this, empty everything into the pot, and just add a little bit of water and let it boil for about 10 minutes until you see like red oil floating on top. So I'll show you guys what this looks like inside. I got this from an African store here in Victoria. So this is what it looks like inside. I don't really like how it looks like on top, so I'm just going to use a spoon and just scrape the top. So I'm basically just taking the top because I don't like how it looks like. It's just not attractive at all. Okay. So depending on how thick you want it to be, you can decide to add just little water or you can add as much water as you want. I think I'll just add a little bit. And I'm just going to make sure this dissolves inside. So I'm just going to close this and let this boil for, let's say 10 minutes. Let it boil for 10 minutes. So now you can see that your oil is floating on top. So this is a sign. This tells you that it's ready. And now you can add your spices, your meat, your fish. So now I'm going to add the meat stock. So now that I have my meat stock in, you can see that it's very watery. So I'll let this boil for another 10 minutes. So right now I'm going to add a little bit of Habanero pepper. I don't want to put too much because I already used Habanero to steam my meat and fish. So I think this should be enough. And now I'm going to add a little bit of crayfish. And next I'm going to add my Banga spice. I also got this from African store here in Victoria. And next I'm going to add my Maggi cubes. And the next thing I'm going to put is my smoked catfish. Put this in. And next I'm going to add my meat, my steamed chicken. And the next thing I'm going to add is my steamed fish. So now that I have everything inside, I'm just going to let this cook for another 10 minutes and I'll come back to check. So this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. I'm just going to taste for salt to see if there's salt. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to let this cook for like 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, and that should be good. So you know it's ready when you see the red oil floating on top. Just like that.